Its final day has come. I have been left with no choice but to build a line boring machine to complete the bulldozer job. Here's how it came to be. I need this pin to be a tap-in fit. So I set up to line bore. I used the 2 nylon liners I previously used to repair the bulldozer C-frame to align the boring bar. Once the boring bar was positioned center of the worn holes, I could mount the bracket and bearings. The bracket and bearings were mounted firmly. I could now remove the liners. Here's the side story of what happened to the magnetic base drill. I actually started the repair on the bulldozer's H-link before the blade. While I was boring the H-link, the magnetic base on the drill stopped magnetizing. I was running close to deadline, so in desperation, I removed the magnetic base and bolted on a steel plate. I had a feeling the drill was not going to hold through the full repair, so I jumped from the H-link to the blade, hoping to at least complete it. On the first cut, the drill's motor gave in. With the deadline creeping in, I was left with no other option but to build the farmyard line boring machine that will be fed by a ratchet. The farmyard line boring machine was working like a charm. Once it bored the top hole complete, I moved on to the bottom hole. Just some extra information on the line bore setup. The motor rotates at 1430 RPM. It has a 5-to-1 reduction box on it, so it cuts at 286 RPM. Okay, back to the job. Both holes have been bored to the size I want. I removed all the bearings and brackets and grounded down all the welding. Next, it was time to fit the hardened sleeves. I expanded the hole with some heat and dropped in the first hardened sleeve. Then repeated the process and dropped in the second one. The inside diameter of the sleeves shrink a bit because of the tight fit, so I gave it a quick polish. I got a perfect knock-in fit with the pin. The pin gets locked in these 2 holes and does not move or rotate here, so the pin must not be loose at all. And that's the repairs on the bulldozer's blade complete. Next, I'm going to finish the repairs on the H-link.